Hello, Miss Marisa. Today we want to explain about supply chain management. First, supply chain management definition. Experts reveal the secrets of supply chain management. Consider the following definition of supply chain management from experts for a complete explanation of strategic definition. According to Stevenson, supply chain management is a strategic coordination of supply chains that seeks to combine supply and demand arrangements. According to Russell and Tyler, supply chain management is the management process that begins with the flow of information, product, and service from customers, suppliers, or companies through the network. According to Kalakota 2000, supply chain management is a structurally linked umbrella process that spans from production to product delivery to consumers. First, next slide. Purpose supply chain management. Supply chain management can be used for a variety of purposes, the most basic of which is to match demand with existing supply. Furthermore, several obstacles or problems are frequently encountered when running a supply chain, such as procurement management, supplier management, managing customer relationships, identifying and responding to problems, risk management, and so on. To be winner in the supply chain must be able to provide products that are not only cheap, but also of high quality, varied, and delivered on time.
Supply chain management function. One of the functions of supply chain management is to reduce cost and delivery time of products to customers. Not only that, here's are three supply chain management functions that you need to know. The first is physical function. The production process is one form of the physical function of the supply chain. The stage of converting raw material into finished product and the cost incurred during the process are also included in the physical function of supply chain management. And then the second is mediation function. In providing raw materials, companies need to deal with suppliers. In addition, in selling to customer, the company also needs a distributor. There's two reasons are description or of the supply chain management function as mediation. And then the third, cost function. If the company manage supply management, costs relate to market research, product design, and other operational costs can also be easily monitored and reviewed.
Supply chain management process. The SCM concept encompasses a wide range of activities. See the list of SCM components below to help you understand the strategy. First, plan. Creating a plan can add in the efficiency of the SCM flow. This process includes data collection activities as well as anything else related to the supply chain. Furthermore, the company can perform these steps to reduce the risk that will occur during the production process to product delivery to customer. Source. A supply chain management strategy serves as a link between business and their suppliers. Of course, companies want to produce the best product for their customer. So a supplier or supplier selection action is required. A company must be able to determine whether or not a source is credible. Make this single component include everything from product testing to packaging, not just the process of converting raw materials into finished goods. To make a good impression, you must be able to select the quality of raw materials as well as the appropriate packaging to offer to customer. Deliver. Companies must determine which modes of transportation will be used to transport materials and products. In this case, a supply chain manager must be able to effectively manage the distribution network in order for the process to run smoothly. Return. A company must be able to handle product returns complaints in a timely and effective manner. We recommend that you plan extra service for customers who have issue with your product.
The next is SCM example. Suppose the company you run offer health service such as a private hospital. As a hospital, obviously your product is a health service itself, like action, inpatient facilities, drug preparation, hospital kitchen ingredients. The planning component can be in the form of how the decision the company takes are related to the plan to provide all this service. Some of the reference are you planning to provide service in person at the hospital location or using online methods? Such an related inventory is how your hospital looks for credible drug suppliers. Provision of an ambulance as an example of a transportation component.
And the last one is in goods company. SCM will be more feasible in its application in a company that provide products in the form of finished good. Let's say you run a modern chip snack company. The team that manages the supply chain must be able to plan how the chips model, flavor, variants, packaging, and the location, and also distribution strategy of the chip product itself. Then the company can get in touch with supplier of raw materials that have been determined. Make sure at this stage, the supplier can meet the quality that you have used as a reference before. The production component includes the process the company does to change the raw materials for chips of packaging. Then the company can determine the place of distribution, the delivery mechanism, to the information box of returning goods. By preparing an SCM strategy carefully, it is very likely that your chip company can survive in the long term. That's all for from our group. Thank you.